Hello kids, welcome back to English online class. Take out your English textbook, notebook, pen, pencil and you open this textbook, page number 7. This is page number 7. Look at the words given below. Name of some vehicles are hidden in the grid. Look horizontally and vertically. Circle them and write them down below the grid as an example is given. So here name of vehicles has given train, truck, tractor, this full whole tractor. See here. Car, bus, bus, bus. Then scooter. You have to do this exercise in your notebook as well as in your textbook. This is auto rickshaw, they have done for you. Aeroplane, boat. These all name you have to write it here. Auto rickshaw, bus, train, truck, boat, aeroplane, scooter, car, tractor. Okay. And those children who don't have textbook, they will get soft copy in material. If you go to material, the top one icon is there. If you click that one, that is the soft copy of English textbook. Okay. Now page number 8. Read the following passage. Asa and Gopal are going on a trip in a village. Their journey is not long. So trip is a short journey. They both like to travel by train. They wish to go on a voyage when they grow up. So voyage is a long journey and trip is a short journey. Now fill in the blanks with suitable words, choosing from the ones underlined in the above passage. Okay. My brother is fond of space travel. His dream is to go on a voyage into space. You have to write voyage. My number 2, my parents always travel by train. You write travel. Number 3, we went on a short trip to Dehradun in the summer vacation. Fourth one, you write trip, short trip. The journey from Bangalore to Mysuru is quite comfortable. Okay, you write journey. Now this one also, this main you have to write in your text notebook also. Write in textbook, afterwards you copy this one in your notebook. Now next main 5.4. The people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. Here the underlined word has a suffix less to mean without. Now here help, this is helpless. So this help word here they have added suffix. They have added few letters. So it has become helpless. Helpless less means without. Okay. Now write more words with the suffix less. Look at the clue given. So they have given the clue here. Use, fear, color, wait, help, hope. Don't dry my red shirt in the sun. It will become colorless. So don't dry my shirt in the sun. It will become colorless. Here one word is there, color. In this we have 8 suffix. Suffix means lastly and at the end we have 8 few letters. So it has become colorless. Okay, colorless. Colorless means without color. There isn't enough drinking water in our place. The situation is hopeless. Write down here, hopeless. This apple is not fresh. It has become useless. USELESS, useless. Okay. Number 4, I emptied all the content of the bag. Now it is weightless. I don't know what to do next. I am feeling helpless. Raju is a strong boy. He is fearless too. He is strong and he is fearless. He is not afraid of anybody. So here if you see the words, in all words I have added less. Okay. Now Come to page number 9. Complete the set. Here, happy, excited, thrilled. Can you see? THRILLED. Thrilled. Enlightened. ENLIGHTED. Enlightened. Okay. So happy, excited, thrilled, enlightened. These are the sets of. These are the sets. Now, picnic, trip, excursion, tour. Got it? Now, wise, clever, intelligent, bright. Intelligent, INTELLIGENT. Okay. Bright, BRIGST, bright. Smart. Down you have to write smart, SMART. Adorable, pet, favorite, FAVOURITE, favorite. Got it? This one also you should write in your notebook. Then come to page number 11. Let's learn English. In the lesson, the lighthouse is described as a tall, strong building in the shape of a tower with powerful light at the top. Now write the describing words for the following. One is done for you. So strong building. This is strong is a describing word, means it is adjective. Now man, tall. These are all describing words. Okay, you have to choose the word from here. I have chosen from here. I have written here. Man, tall. Girl, beautiful. This one don't write in your notebook. How much you have? I told you, you write that much. This one you have to do in your textbook. Man, tall. Girl, beautiful. Rose, red. Day, bright. Handwriting, neat. Okay, these words I have given here. Neat, beautiful, pretty, bright, red, tall. Now come down, write a few more phrases like the above. Phrases you know I have taught you in the last class, okay? Clever, fox. Huge means big. Elephant. Warm, season. Cute, kitten. You can write puppy also. Long hair. Short, pencil. Got it? Now, these are describing word, okay? Clever, huge, warm, cute, long, short. And here describing word is tall, beautiful, red, bright, neat. Now, Rajiv exclaimed, how clever of the humans. See here exclamation mark is there. When Rajiv learned from his father about the invention of the lighthouse, he made the above statement to express his feeling of surprise. So exclamation means it is showing the feeling, some feeling it is showing. Okay, read the following situation and express your feeling. You have to write your feeling over here. You see a beautiful rose. How beautiful it is. You have to write, oh, how beautiful it is, is. Now your friend is wearing a pretty dress. How pretty you are. Turn the page. Your mother has prepared a tasty dish. How tasty the dish is. How tasty the dish is. One of your classmates pushes the benches. How naughty. NAUGSTY. Naughty you are. Now, minimal pairs. Repeat after the teacher. Add a few more. Okay. These are rhyming word, children. You know rhyming word. They have same sound. They listen not same sound. They will rhyme. See, bark, dark, chair, and these rhyming words are used in poem. Chair, share, fan, man, one, sun, catch, fun, gun, take, lake, spell, smell, glass, grass, lift, left, pin, pen, bill, bell. Now, children, we have finished this lesson, and you know that on this one Tuesday you are going to have English UT. So prepare for UT. All the best.